This tutorial will show you how to take a picture of your child's work from your phone and upload it directly into Google Classroom from your phone. So if you notice here, we are in Google Classroom and we're under the Monday, April 6, 2020 reading lesson. And what you will do here is you will click the arrow there at the bottom and you will click Add Attachment. This menu comes up. You will go to Use Camera. Then you'll take your picture here. You'll click Use Photo. And then you will wait for the photo to upload into the assignment. Once it uploads, you'll click on Turn In. Then you'll click Turn In again. The assigned status will turn up to Turned In up at the top right corner, and you have just turned in the attached photo to your Google Classroom active assignment for that particular assignment that you're in. So now, you will need to make sure that you load the Google Classroom app. So it's Google Classroom, not Google Drive, but Google Classroom on your phone. And then you will log in with your child's login information. Their email would be the capital S with their student ID at students, students, fwisd.org. The password is just the same password that I've given you that begins with their initials in capital letters. So you will submit pictures there. There will be times that I will ask you to take a picture of the work and submit it there. So that's what this tutorial is for. We really need to start moving over to for the pictures to be sent directly to Google Classroom versus ClassDojo. I know this is something that we are all learning how to do. So we just need to be patient and we will figure this out together. Washington Heights does want all of their student work on the same platform, and the platform we're using is Google Classroom. So I thank you for your patience as we learn these new things, and I said because I'm learning a lot of this, so I thank you for your patience, and I'm sure that we will get through this together. Just take a deep breath, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be here to help in any way that I can.